Hello LinkedIn and welcome to this week's Fletchy Fridays. The first episode of Fletchy Fridays to not feature Fletchy, as he's currently having some well-earned and relaxing time off. But do not fear, because I'm still here and I'm continuing to take us through our month of totally integrated automation to make sure you OEMs can fully understand the benefits of a TIA solution and the value it can have to your business. So if you remember the start of the month, I took us through exactly what the TIA Portal is and how it integrates all of our hardware into one common engineering framework. But of course, there's more to it than just being a programming device. With everything integrated, we can integrate services, functions, and features as standard as well to make your lives a lot more simpler. The first one being connectivity. And I hope you got to catch Homes in Motion on Monday, where Adam did a fantastic job showing exactly what this looks like when it comes to integrating a PLC and a drive. The next thing that we integrate and we talk a lot about is diagnostics and how this is built in as standard, automatically generated and available for display. And we covered this in a previous Fletchy Fridays episode as well. So if you haven't seen it and you're not aware, do go check it out. I'll leave the links for this below. The other thing that's integrated as standard, safety, meaning it's an easy task to bring your safety applications to life. And we covered this in the very first episode of Fletchy Fridays back last year. So please go check that out if you want to see how we had safety integrated in a distributed drive system. Also here, of huge relevance to you as OEMs is security. Siemens prides itself on having IEC 62443 certification for our products, and our product cert website is fantastic as well. But you as OEMs are going to want to make sure that your intellectual property is always secure. And there's plenty of features in here to make sure what's running in controllers or what's inside the TIA Portal is completely locked down and only given access to those who should have access. And just wait for upcoming episodes, because version 17 of TIA Portal is bringing some great security enhancements, which I'm sure you're going to love. So stay tuned for those. But also something that's integrated that maybe you don't know about is energy. Energy management is integrated with inside of the TIA Portal, meaning if you want to capture an energy value, log that value, visualize that value, forecast that value, it can be done for you through configuration and automatic code generation with ready-made visuals, making it a simple task to add this kind of enhancement onto your machines with minimal effort. And of course, energy applies to anything, not just electrical. Any kind of consumption on that machine can be reported on in this way. So I think you'll agree that TIA Portal is a lot more than just the software package for configuring our devices. And there's a lot of enhancements for us having that integrated database, common interface, and the ability to pack services in a standard. That means for you, it reduces complexity and makes everything a lot easier and a lot more efficient. So yeah, thanks for watching this week's episode of Fletchy Fridays. Lee's back next week, so we'll see you then.